Would you love to come home to stunning views every evening? Put your feet up and relax because there are 0 projects or renovations needed? I'm Tanya Starkle with Avenue Stone Real Estate, and I want to welcome you to this charming Dutch Colonial nestled on the bluff in Cannon Hills Addition. This beauty is a blend of old and new, and every square inch has been restored or replaced. Built-in shelves, gas fireplace, old world charm, and stunning views. Beautiful open kitchen, and how fun is this dining room? Upstairs we have a large master suite with private bathroom, walk-in closet, and 2 bedrooms with the cutest little Jack and Jill bathroom and more built-ins. The lower level has a family room, built-in desk, bathroom with a walk-in shower, another bedroom, large laundry room, a mud or work room that attaches to 2-car garage. Share this video and call me to schedule your private showing before it's gone.